Alright, for this video we're going to go over polls, forms, and surveys. So I use Google Forms to make a pretty simple one. Uh, it's a survey of how well you know supply and demand. It's for my students before and maybe like right before we take a test, to see what I need to review more on the review session. So they're going to put their name and three basic questions. How well do you understand the definition of supply and demand? How supply and demand determines price and quantity? And how well do you understand what shifts supply and demand? So basically all they have to do is simply then well, well, not too bad, not too good, submit. They submit it and that's all they have to do, and I can see everything they say. It's great to be able to see where you need to reteach or like give more examples to help the students learn more in a specific area.